Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix taskbar not hiding in full screen mode in Windows 10. Now let's jump straight into the process. Right click on your taskbar. You can see different options. Click on this option Task Manager, open it. Now you have to click on this option of more details. You can see all of these options. Now you have to find Windows Explorer over here and then right click on it. Here I go. Now click on this option of restart. Now it is in the process. You have to wait for a few minutes and it will be done. After it is done, you can just close it. In this way, you can easily fix taskbar not hiding in full screen mode in Windows 10. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.